Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Fallout Cookbook. Today we're making radioactive gumdrops. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what to make next in the comments below. And before we get into this episode, I just want to thank you all for 500 subscribers. That's insane. Did not think I'd make it here that fast. And as a little plus, I'm going to do 2 videos next week. One of them will be a drink, so it's a little bit of cheating. But like, gotta post one of those every once in a while because they get the most views because they're shorts, you know. Enjoy. This is a long one. You're gonna start off by adding 3 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin and 3/4 cups of water to a bowl and combine. Then, in a small bowl, you're going to add a teaspoon of lemon extract, a teaspoon of orange extract, half a teaspoon of rosemary extract if you're using it, and 10 drops of green food coloring. Now, to a medium saucepan, you're going to add a cup of water and 2 cups of sugar, and you're going to bring that to a slight boil and simmer for 5 minutes. And then you're going to take that sugar water and you're going to pour it into your gelatin water and mix it until the gelatin is completely dissolved. Then you add your extract mixture, a 1/4 cup of lime juice, 2 teaspoons of lime zest, and 2 teaspoons of citric acid, and combine it into combined. Then you want to line a 10 by 10 pan with tin foil and spray it with non-stick spray, and then you're going to pour it into the pan, cover, and refrigerate for at least 8 hours. I just realized I completely forgot to cover it. It's fine though, apparently. Now, once they're out of the fridge, I somehow completely just did not get any of this recording. You're going to cut up your jelly, your like slab of jello into bite-sized pieces, and you're going to let it sit out for 10 hours. I would recommend covering it. It doesn't say covered, but you want to sit out at room temperature for 10 hours. Then you're going to mix together a 1/4 cup of sugar and a tablespoon of citric acid. And you're going to take your little cubes of jello and you're going to toss them in that mixture, put them back onto the wire racks on the parchment lined baking sheet. Wire racks, I'm not sure how necessary they are. If you have I would avoid the wire racks if you have not the square ones, because like we have the ones that are like just like rectangles and they got pretty big gaps. It bisected multiple of those gummies. But then you're going to put them in the fridge uncovered for another 10 hours. These were very good. Unfortunately, they aren't gumdrops. At least mine were just like thick jello. And I don't know why. I even tried putting some in the freezer, simply just thick jello. Maybe that's the consistency it's supposed to be, I don't know. They constantly get bisected by the wire racks, and they're like kind of melting a little bit in the fridge, but like not fully. I've barely worked with gelatin. I don't know, forgetting, because I did not put in a full 1/4 cup of lime juice. But I feel like that should only affect the flavor. If anything, it would make it thinner. It would make it even like less chewy. And like they weren't covered in the fridge, so I guess technically like nothing. Out of the 2 mistakes I made, none of them feel like they would cause them to not be the gumdrop consistency. They're still very good. I still really like them, but they never thickened really. They never dried out and became this gumdrop consistency. So I would not wait 20 hours. Next time, if I make this again, I am going to, once I cut them up, I'm pretty much immediately tossing them in the citric acid mixture and putting them in the fridge. I'm not waiting the 10 hours for like, maybe they should go in the fridge. I'm not let them sit on the counter for 10 hours. That did literally nothing. Like I don't know why that happened. I don't know why they decided to do that, but I would just toss them in the fridge for like until they're cold, just until they're a little denser, and then toss them in the sugar mixture and eat. I would not wait 10 hours. I would not wait 20 hours. But all in all, 9 out of 10.